Hi guys, it's playtime. Today we are unboxing the new Disney Frozen Little Kingdom Elsa's Magical Rising Castle from Hasbro. It has lights and sounds, and the castle magically rises with a wave of your hand. Wow, that sounds cool. Alright, let's open it up. So here it is. I think this one belongs here. Batteries are not included in this set. We need 3 AA batteries. Let's close it. That's weird. We haven't started yet and it's already opening. Oh well. Let's start at the bottom by opening this. Look! It's the ice stairs. And we can decorate it now. You can set up the chair with Olaf. On the other side, you can set up the vanity mirror and the stool. And here's Queen Elsa. Queen Elsa figure comes with a different snap-in accessories that you can mix and match. And you can also change her dress. She actually looks so cute with this one, but since she is a queen, let's add a long skirt. Now she is a royalty. And put on more accessories. Beautiful. And here's the little door here. Close it. Where's Queen Elsa? There she is. We can add table. And here's snacks for Olaf. I want to go upstairs. Up here you can put her throne. If you want Queen Elsa to sit on her throne or the chair, you have to remove the cape. See, like this. Now let's find out why this is called magical. Pretending I am Queen Elsa, I have to wave my hand. Whoa! Do you see that magic? Oh, that's cool! And there's lights in the middle. How cool is that? Wow! It's really magical. Right, come on, Olaf. Let's try to put Queen Elsa here in the middle. Let's press this big snowflake in the middle. Let's take this off so she can sit properly. Let's press it again. Wow! There's also the third level up here. That is cool. It's really a beautiful set, even if it's small. And if you have other dolls of Disney princess or whatever little dolls you have, you can add it too, like Princess Belle. And we have another Queen Elsa figure, Snow White, Rapunzel, and we have Princess Ariel. On top, we can also add Cinderella. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, more toys, more sets and surprises, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one!